Hello guys, what's up? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to show you how to download video in Facebook. Okay, first you need to go in the Facebook, and here are the video that I want to download. So we'll try this video to download. So click this. So after you click the video, as you can see, there are three dot left side and down. Okay, click the three dot. After that, click the three dot, copy the link. Okay, just wait, and done. So already copy the link. After you copy the link, go to Chrome. So after you go to Chrome, click search the FB video or this if download.net. So you need to take care about the every link because there are many scammers. So click this. So after you hear, so uh, search the ifdown.net, and after you need to paste your video that you want to download in Facebook. So after that, so I click the download. Okay, so just wait. So as you can see, there are option there are normal quality and HD quality. So I want to download to HD quality X and go to download files. So as you can see, it's already download. Just fast download from the FB video. Okay guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel.